Okay guys, we're coming up on the place here. If you're a vegetarian or you like healthy food, we got this place called Mercado Vita Integral. It's healthy, and the Korea house is over there. So if you want this place, Vita Integral is right here on Nutibara Avenue. Buenos dias. And they have a muy bien, gracias. And they have a lot of things here. They got imported cereal and all of that. So a lot of stuff here: hot soup tea, granola cereals, nuts, and dried fruit. You can come in there and you can get yogurt and good food to eat, healthy to keep at the restaurant. I mean, at your place, wherever you're staying, if you're staying for the Airbnb. And here they have some fresh fruit. Look at that, some watermelons, some papayas, some red onions, white onions, cucumbers, squash, tangerines, all kinds of fruit, lulu, avocados, different varieties, 2 different varieties over there, and passion fruit, and then some plantain, sweet bananas, and all of that good stuff, eggs, whatever you want, they got it right here. Even eggplant. And this is the Korea House restaurant, and there's a hostel there. Here it's a hostel as well. It's a restaurant, Chinese and whatever, and they got a 12,000 peso menu, executive menu here on Avenida Nutibara, Barrio Laureles. Barrio means neighborhood, not the barrio boys, but the neighborhood. Barrio Laureles. That means neighborhood Laureles. Laureles neighborhood. And for 12,000 pesos, they got the menu ejecutivo, the menu of the day. So if you want to get some of that stuff, and this is close to San Juan Avenue. San Juan Avenue is that way. Now I'm going to cross on over, and they usually have a hostel on the 2nd floor. I don't see it now, but I guess it died out. So let me cross and make sure I don't get hit by a motorbike and see what's up here. And we're gonna continue going that way, so hold on. Now guys, if you're here in Medellin on vacation, having a good time, or living here for a short while, and you want to rent some nice costumes or accessories for parties and everything like that, you come to this place. It's right here on Nutibara Avenue, right there, called, it's on the 2nd floor and 1st floor, Carnaval Disfraces, Fantasia. So you have all these kinds of things that you can come and just check out while you're traveling through these areas. And this is right here on Nutibara Avenue, and right there you got it. Oh no, that's another one, but same business. So this is Nutibara Avenue, very nice to hang out, walk through, and enjoy it. This is Colombia during the COVID-19 era. What can we do? What can we say? But we're here to stay. And this is the EAFIT University Language Center. They usually have classes here, but right now that ain't going, that ain't rolling. You know what I'm saying? So if you're liking this video, give it a like. If you don't like it, then give it a thumbs down. If you think it's okay, then write in the comment section it's okay. You like trattoria, Italian restaurants, cucina, amore della nonna, trattoria. So you know what I'm telling you, I'm an American, I'm a Colombian American, and that's it. Anyway, so this is the Italian food restaurant right here. Very nice place, so you can check it out. When you come, you can have that, or they got deli percho, fast food stuff like that. Now I'm gonna walk up this street. They got the public house over there. They got a couple here in Medellin. Then you got a wings shop over there, and you got a dog right over there that ain't too happy. Happy Pappy. And you got more restaurants up this street. You got this one called La Causa restaurant. Let me go up and show you more. Then you got, ouch, oh, I hit that thing, almost tripped, almost fell, but I didn't fall because I hit that little thing. You gotta be careful with those. Luckily I have a good handling of my balance. And you got places around here where you can stay. There are a lot of Airbnb locations around here. Oh, this is the Indian food restaurant. They have another one here. There was one in El Poblado in the Provenza area. It's called Naan, like the bread in India. Naan. Sabores de India. Tastes and flavors from India. Right now it's closed at this hour, so they got these little restaurants so you can check them out. This is here in Laureles. And then you got Choripanes. That's another type of little fast food restaurant. And you got that little sushi light bar up there at Orion Plaza Apartments. That's the apartment thing right there, and some other for rent. One block off that. Then you got Parmesano. It's an Italian restaurant too, and they usually have the dessert shop with them too, called Todo Fresa. I recommend it. And this is the Segundo Parque Laureles right over there. This is the Segundo Parque Laureles. And right here, this is Parmesano, very good. I've eaten the desserts, but not the main food from here, and they're delicious. Really delicious. Right there, you got the dessert part right there, Todo Fresa. Pan de yucas, cakes, chocolate, whatever. It's a nice restaurant. And it's called Parmesano and Todo Fresa. So keep that in mind when you come to Colombia, Medellín. This is Medellín. And the second park is under construction. They're remodeling, so this is what you can expect to see if you come around November or right now, October or November or December 2020. And it's a circular park. Let's just go around it so you can see it. And there's that Orion Plaza. I was just pronouncing it in Spanish. If you keep walking up that way, you go up to La Ochenta. Ochenta is the avenue, La Ochenta, 80th Avenue or 80th Street. So this is the park. They're just building it up right now. And if you go up that way, you go to Éxito de Laureles, somewhere up that way. I just don't remember exactly. I haven't been around there in a long time. And they're just... Buenas, ¿cómo le va? Bien, qué bien. ¿Cuándo terminan de remodelar el parque? No hay fecha todavía.
A
Finales
finales de noviembre.
de noviembre. Ah, excelente. Gracias, muchachos. Feliz día. Gracias. So they say at the end of November this park will be finished. So expect that. All right. Oh, I ran out of a sidewalk here. Let me make sure I don't get hit by a car or a motorcycle or any kind of thing. So let me go here and keep walking. Johnny Walker style. I don't drink, but I like saying things. So come on, baby. Kind of like Lenny Kravitz. Don't you feel like you could fly away? I wanna fly away. I wanna go somewhere cool. Lenny Kravitz, baby. Or you too. It's a beautiful day. Don't let it get away. I don't know if that's the lyrics for it. I'm just doing it. So this is the Segundo Parque de Laureles here. And I'm gonna end up by going to the church, show you the church. This is Oma Coffee Brand and Presto, a burger place. It's like Burger King's or McDonald's competition. They were established in 1981. I remember as a child coming to Colombia, I used to eat at Presto. I used to love it when I was a meat eater. I'm not a meat eater anymore because of compassion for animals. I'm a vegetarian out of sheer compassion. Only that, nothing else. So let's keep on walking, Johnny Walker style. Like I said, I don't drink. Homie, don't play that. Let's continue doing this. So what are you guys up to right now? What are you doing? Where are you in the world right now? Who's watching this video? Leave comments below. Tell me where you're watching from. Where you're watching from. Country, region, whatever. Tell me who you are and why you like watching videos about Colombia. This is Colombia, and it's warm here. Medellín, it's always warm, sometimes a little hot. And if you like warm to hot weather, this is the place for you. Oh, there's another restaurant type place over there. They got a couple of them, Amaza and Barbaro. Primitive kitchen. I recommend it. I mean, they got meat. I just recommend things like this to you guys because you want it. Sorry about the noise. Can't do anything about that. And I gotta move my tush here because I gotta work at 12:30 online, teach an English class. I'm an English language teacher. Remember that I'm a Colombian American. Ooh yeah, baby. I got the best of both worlds. I got that American thing going, being punctual and respectful and honest and stuff like that. Keeping my word. I got that Latin flair from Colombia with la salsa y el merengue y la cumbia y vallenato y gaitas and all of that good stuff. That warmness, being a warm person, being cool, nice, and you know, amicable. A nice warm fella. So we're coming up on La Iglesia, the church. This is the Santa Teresa or Santa Teresita area. And if you want to live in a nice place, this is at the bottom of the valley here in Valle de Aburrá, Medellín. And it's super safe in general. And this is the parish center. It's called Santa Teresita del Niño Jesús. Santa Teresita del Niño Jesús. And this whole neighborhood is called Santa Teresita because of the church. Many people refer to this neighborhood as Santa Teresita. A few blocks over, maybe 4 blocks that way, you got Avenida 33. You probably saw it in the previous video. And this is the church. And this is the thing right here. So here we go. The Archdiocese of Medellín Parish, Santa Teresita del Niño Jesús, Catholic Church, Catholic, Apostolic, and Roman. Santa Teresita del Niño Jesús. Let me just show you. This is very big landmark here in Colombia, in Medellín anyway. And that's the church. That's inside the church there and all that, so you can see and enjoy the picture. And very nice. So come on down, enjoy Colombia, Medellín. Warm weather. You can see I'm sweating. I love this warm weather. If you love warm weather, this is the place to be. So guys, take care. Talk to you soon. This is October 16th, 2020. Come on over. Colombia's open to all Americans for tourism at this moment. Mexicans, Bolivians, Ecuadorians, from Honduras, Guatemalans, Brazilians, and Dominicans. Soon it'll be opening up to more people, more countries, according to what negotiations they can strike with other countries, like Peru and Chile, whatever, Argentina, whenever they want to open up their borders for flying in, international flights, it'll happen. Later, have fun. And Canadians too, come on. We're waiting for Canada to open up, but right now they're going through a second spike. Bye.